What's going on, AMD Mob? You already know it. And Yoda. You already know what it is, man. It's your boy Aaron.
And your girl Deja.
Double D, goddamn. But
Yoda, we're filming.
You gonna do this now, bro?
You had all that time.
He was laying there perfectly asleep. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. You gonna open it for me?
Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine.
Well, we back with another motherfucking video, yo.
What we doing today?
We doing the goddamn DIY
Yeah.
again, and
What is
we.
the first time I've seen it?
Oh well, I ain't gonna say it again. We're doing the DIY, and we're making slime, but we
Glittery
got a
slime.
twist, and we gonna make it glittery. Shout out to her for doing it. I would've just got regular white glue, but
Who don't like glitter? Everybody loves glitter.
yeah.
Well, anyway, what you need is glue and some kind of starch. We don't have cornstarch, so we just use regular laundry detergent because that has starch in there.
Word. If you watch our old, is that old DIY?
Nope. You never put it up. We never record.
None of them.
Nothing but a pizza bites.
Oh my gosh. This is like our first time making slime for you guys. We made slime for ourselves.
A couple
Big
times.
pot. Yo, I really, for real? Damn, that's why our shit ain't getting no buzz. We gotta get the people what they want. Alright, come on, yo.
Alright,
So, what we do is, man.
just pour the glue into the bowl.
The
like
whole
so.
thing.
Yep, the whole thing. And then you pour the laundry detergent in there slowly until it starts getting slimy. Yeah, that's a lot.
Itty bitty shit. I mean,
Look, isn't it so pretty? You would have thought it was slimy already.
yeah. Yeah, see, we could have just, speeded this up, made some cutscenes, and then
That's
just.
my phone.
Alright,
Alright.
so you got your glue, bowl, starch, cup.
If you want to get messy, I was about to say we could use a spoon. Or we got toothpicks.
Nah, I'm going straight at it. I'm not
Alright, well, just in case, I got toothpicks.
showing my viewers we don't need no picks. We got, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, let's get into it.
Yo. Oh, never mind. The key is not to add too much, alright?
Yeah, little by little. I'm gonna use a toothpick because
What?
I don't feel like getting my hands all messy right now. Oh, the toothpick broke. Oh, see how it's getting all slimy and stuff?
Like we said, we don't need a lot, but I don't know. Do whatever makes you happy.
Oh, you seen that? Then we gotta keep mixing.
Yeah, this is kind of a long process.
Should I add more soap?
No, it looked like you.
We don't have no more glue. Yours coming out. Mine's like really soapy. Like,
Have
you
you
would have
used
thought
that?
I was washing a bowl. Yeah.
Hey man, slow and steady wins the race, I heard.
You said what? Loser, 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 loser. That's what you said?
I didn't know this was a competition.
Loser, 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 loser. Crack myself up.
Yeah, just yourself. I got a big old boogie.
Okay.
Hold on.
Mine is just about done.
Yeah, I kind of got OCD, so I like to kind of get things to my perfection. You know what I'm saying?
Mess around with him, we'll be here for 2 more days. Ooh.
Yeah, so after about 10 minutes of doing this or so, if you like use too much, then it's not gonna like
Work.
yeah, then your parents are gonna be mad because you just wasted all their detergent. Yeah.
My slime is good to go.
Yep.
I'm so happy with this slime.
Yeah, because the
Where's
cool
that?
thing about it is,
Just keep playing with it.
it looks, yeah, it looks cool. And you could give this to like your cousin or like somebody who...
Wait till Marley and Ava see this video.
Yeah, facts.
I know they won't gonna try to do it. Especially Marley.
Yeah, baby.
Well, guys, there you have it. The DIY glittery slime.
Wow.
This shit is dope.
You could use any glue to
Yeah.
make slime, but she grabbed glittery glue to make glittery slime.
If you guys liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment
Down below.
and subscribe.
You know what I'm saying?
And make that bell go ding.
Dummy.
And stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Yoda says bye.
Yes. Peace out, why digga.
And Sam, we'll see y'all soon. We'll see y'all soon. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned.
It's the gang.